So hold out. Hold out. It's Haley.
Okay, you videotape the movie stars here.
Wait, is it recording already?
Yeah. And what you do
It's
is
on?
while we're loading it up, you
on?
could film us because we're gonna add all kinds of narration right now.
Oh, is that right? Okay.
Yes.
But how are we going to load it?
With the four of us.
Oops. I need
You have
to
rope?
make sure.
Do you have more rope or that's it?
Yeah, we got rope.
Okay, let's do the.
I'll put it on top and just hand it to me.
Just hand it to you? Okay.
No, like here.
There we go. Oh, man. Get the hind end.
There. There.
All right.
It will be there.
Huh.
Let me
Thank
get
God. That thing's a heavy son of a gun.
It's a huge. It's a good. Well, how much you think?
I have no idea.
180?
200.
200.
Nice. I'll hold the leg.
Woo, Bill. Hey, we were talking about it. You haven't got one for a while. You don't care. Hey, you got it. That's
Yeah, you know what? It's just dumb luck.
No,
It
buck
is.
of the lifetime right here.
Yeah.
Have you ever get anything bigger than this?
I don't know if the 4x was.
But this is a thick one.
Yeah.
Man, that's a thick one.
Just got lucky. That's all. It can happen to anybody.
You have to be right there, huh?
You just have to be 64 years old and hunt for a lot.
Yep.
So when you get to be 64, how many more years is that, right?
Oh, about 12 years.
Okay.
No, 15 years. No, 20 years. Let's go like this.
He graduated from where? Which grammar school? Do we stay there? Do we need to wrap them around here? If you want to.
Nice. Yours is big too, but this is bigger.
You got it 2x3, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I heard you when you got it. You got it early too, huh?
Yes. Daylight. After daylight.
Hey, Haley, that's a big deer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Man, you know what? You were here to experience it. Yes, you came at the
You
right
bring
time.
the right
you came
luck.
at the right time. Yeah, you're. Hey, you know what? I'd say Haley's the good luck. How many times have we ever gotten two in the first morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good luck, Haley. I'm glad you came.
I want to wreck it.
Kim, do you think this thing, it will stay, huh?
Yeah, hey,
If it
if it
comes to
stayed
stay,
through
come
where
to
we
here.
came through, it's gonna stay. It's not going anywhere.
Here, let me take it.
Wow. Dang, look at this guy. So this is the fattest neck I've ever seen killed, ever.
Haley.
I mean, this is one buff.
Go like this, Haley.
This is one buff deer. I've never seen one with that thick of a neck. Not up close like that. That looks good, Bill.
You got a hole?
Yep. It's gonna go. It's not going anywhere. Man,
Thank
oh
you for
man.
helping put it in.
Haley, you are a good luck charm.
I'll say.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, it's up here, Bill?
Yeah.
Hey, did you guys get the liver?
Yeah, I put it in already.
I left it.
What about the heart? The heart for Marquita.
The heart's here. The heart's there.
Get the heart.
I don't have
I
another
got a
bag.
plastic bag. I had to kill her. I had to give him the kill shot. Okay, let me try not to get too much blood on me.
Ray's gonna gut out the deer because I'm allergic.
Oh shit. Damn it.
This is Haley. And the deer. You can see a spike and a fork. A 1x2, like last year.
Like the last time. I haven't been able to improve it yet.
You taking video?
You don't want to see all this guts, do you?
No. It's censored.
Oh, the poor deer.
It had a good life.
But who cares? Okay. Fuck, you know, so these are for midgets, man.
Not the poor deer.
Where did I start? Right anywhere, huh?
Yeah, I wish I had my cut. Let me see.
Let's get up here.
Yeah, I got it. This next to open it.
I start right here, right? Where's the best
Yeah,
place to start?
Straight there. Oops, sorry.
Oh, actually,
Ew.